right in my lap. You ready? Ready? Go get it. Here. Go get it. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Bring it today. Bring it here, girl. Shantae. Okay. Every time I put the camera on, she don't want to act right. Bring it. Girl done got the ball stuck in her mouth. But YouTube, what's going on, man? This boy don't do it to him. Y'all know who it is. Hopefully y'all can hear me, because got my earbuds in. But today, since we got some great weather, I realized I never set foot inside of the 6'1" at all. So as y'all can see, I got that boy jacked up dangerously. Don't worry about it. But I got it sitting off the ground. I cracked the lug nuts, because my game plan either tomorrow is get some 4 new used tires, because these tires bad. But I'm actually about to go in there and gut it, because I can see, let me see, y'all see that? That look like carpet. So I haven't looked under here, but the frame look good. Definitely look good. But I want to see how bad the floors really is. So I'm gonna go in there, strip that down, put everything in the shed, or maybe in the carport. And I'll be back on y'all. Yeah. Come on, girl. YouTube, what it do? I know what it is, man. I'm seeing here, got the 6'1" sitting up, just in case when that snow hit. Game plan right now, as I said earlier, you know, swapping out these tires big time, because they done. So I'm sure they've been on this car since I don't know when. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 4 used tires, just something to put on there where I can roll it. But when Rick get ready to get the engine right, tires good. What I did realize was, even though they told me the brakes was done, so the brakes are super done. There's no brakes on it. So before we do anything, pretty much the first thing I'll be doing on this car, of course, is the brake conversion. So I'm gonna do this all the way around, of course. And right now, what I'm about to do is, well, what I just did, I vacuumed out. Got the shock vac, vacuumed out the front, the back. As y'all see, the camera might be a little dirty. As y'all see, man, it wasn't even bad. It's just the sun got to it. See the discolor? See, I thought it was watermark. Now this might be water. But then again, I don't know. I know it leaked in the trunk. But when we had the rain, and I came back out check it, everything was dry. So I'm guessing the sun just got to it and ate it up. But my game plan is to strip all this out. I'm gonna pull the bench seats out, pull the carpet out. I want to see what the floors look like, because when I was under here, you can see, I don't know if something got hit or is that actual hole. I don't know. And like I said, these jack stands, see how I got it sitting on boards, and then got the stands on there due to the fact that the ground's kind of soft. Under it is rock, but I ain't have time to build my platform up like I did that. So it was either wait and I build a platform, or they could drop the car off. So that's what I was gonna set the car on and have a nice little platform. But nah, I say nah, bring it. I'll figure it out later. So that's what I came up with. Just slid some boards under there, set the jack stand on the board, voila. But yeah, you can see the tires. It held air for like a day. And other than that, oh, y'all hear that? Oh yeah, that's sounding nasty. But I mean the frame, look at the frame though. That's why I got it. The frame is good. Just clean all that up, paint it up. I want to get under there so bad. Maybe when my nerves settle down, I'll get under there and look. But if y'all new here, man, definitely hit that like, subscribe, leave a comment. I know a lot of people be dogging in the 4 doors. Don't worry, I got a 2-door coupe. SS, of course, is in the paint shop right now. So I got both, the best of both worlds. Got the 2-door coupe. It's gonna be nasty. Then I got the photo family. You feel me? But this gonna be nasty. All original engine. Actually, while it's daytime, I need to pop the hood, get the numbers off the block, if I can see what it is. But I believe it's a 327. The transmission is a two-speed power glide for sure. I know that. And other than that, the frame though, I almost feel the frame is good. Come on, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get on there. Damn, I thought that was a hole. Yeah, I'm gonna get on there and I'm gonna look. But for sure, I'm about to strip this out. And then I guess I'm gonna let my phone charge up a little bit more. And as I'm doing it, I'm gonna come back and give y'all some music. Yeah. My fault too. What I was saying was, I'll try to get this carpet out. I want y'all to enjoy them tunes for my cousin, man. I normally don't play the rap, but go ahead and check it out, man. Hit it up, D.
Yeah. Detroit shit. That's a nigga. Yeah. Big pockets can't use wallets. Big face, Chris Wallace. I'm on the block like Ben Wallace. I nail bitches like nail polish. Great brain like Yale College. Pockets filled like ATMs. Fuck working out. I'm rocking gyms. I'm rocking Timbs. My eyes slim. I school niggas like you of them. If you with them, then stay with them. My new bitch like Little Kim. She know the game like Stadium. My flow hard, vibranium, titanium, no taming them. I blame the streets, no blaming them. We aim at them, then spray at them. We spray at them, don't play with them. Hanging them, you naming them. Stay spitting money, Tasmanian, Albanian, Romanian. On demon time like Damien. Alien, Arabian, getting cranium from Canadians. Don't count bread, we weighing it. Middle finger to my old bitch, upgraded my new chick. Broke niggas can't do shit, wet niggas like cruise ships. Long clips like pool sticks, upgraded my new bitch. Middle finger to my old bitch, crazy money like Ludacris. I'm cashing out, stay cashing out on new hoes. I'm cashing out, stay cashing out on new clothes. I'm cashing out, stay cashing out on 2 doors. I'm cashing out, stay cashing out on new hoes. Loose screws, I keep tools. Fat pockets like moo-moos. I stay clocking, I'm cool. I stress work like Lulu. I watch niggas like Hulu. Not falling off like FUBU. Treat no boo like fast food. Eat root crisp like soul food. We see dudes, we see food. We keep the peace, so be cool. Her pussy water like ski dudes. I stay grinding like Rick Rude. I'm St. Jude in new shoes. I'm from the gutter like bowling shoes. I'm peanut butter, I'm too smooth. I stay shining like church shoes. Got long money like clown shoes. I clown dudes, no clown suit. Wear Prada boots with Taylor suits. I'm in the cloud right next to Zoo. I Dragon Ball like Goku. I fuck stars, porn stars, no type, space ball, race cars, replace cars. One race called 8 cars. Son of Mars, Bruno Mars. We shoot stars like shoot stars. Keep cookies like cookie jars. Hood stars in foreign cars. Drop tops, support bras. Gray bras, report cars. Chocolate bitches like Hershey bars. Middle finger to my old bitch, upgraded my new chick. Broke niggas can't do shit, wet niggas like cruise ships. Long clips like pool sticks, upgraded my new bitch. Middle finger to my old bitch, crazy money like Ludacris. I'm cashing out, stay cashing out on new hoes. I'm cashing out, I'm cashing out on new clothes. Cashing out, stay cashing out on 2 doors. Cashing out, stay cashing out on new hoes.
All right, but look at this. God damn. Yeah. I'm sure the song is over by now. Oh yeah, it's gone. Gone. So this whole section got to be cut out. All that. That's how I took a picture. I'm gonna send that to Rick. I already know he gonna be like, damn. So as of right now, man, so I got my paper. So when I make the list with all I'm gonna replace for sure. As y'all see right now, looking like a floor. So put y'all back on this tripod. Let me pull this back. Cause when I looked under there, I seen something hanging, so I knew it wasn't gonna be all that in good shape. And then again, I really don't know how long it's been sitting too, so. And it was outside though, believe it or not. That's why I'm still shocked that, you know what I'm saying, it's in the state that it's in, because it was outside, not covered. I gotta go get my racket set. I guess I could have paused the video. My fault. But I ran and grabbed these ratchets because I'm gonna try to get this bench seat out of here by myself. You know this about to be a problem. Let's see what this be like, 10 or 12. Definitely a 15, 14, 15. All right, y'all. 13. Ah, look at that. When you get your tools, man, don't be cheap. You know, I got the ratchet with the, you know what I'm saying? Make the job a whole lot easier. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some more music for y'all, man. I don't know. Where is it at? On the other side. You want to be hard headed? I got some food. What's on that? Is there nothing back here? There you go. Had to help. I think this probably haven't came off since the car was put on. Yeah, sir, Skeet. So what's been going on, man? I know the music probably playing, but what's going on? How y'all been? All right, let's take y'all to the other side. I don't know where I'm gonna put y'all. I'm gonna put y'all somewhere for y'all to see. Woo-woo. That's tough. All right, y'all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop it. Then when I get to the part where I guess I'm work on the back, I'm gonna come back to y'all. Yeah. What it do? Boy, finally, I had to take a break because I had to wash the dishes. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what wifey was thinking, but I did it, you know what I'm saying? I listened. Happy wife, happy life. But no, so far what I did, in fact, let me show y'all. I think I already showed y'all in the previous video. Not previous video, but the clip. So I went and got some good disinfect, cleaner, not wipe down everything, sprayed everything down, even the seats. So come find out, yeah, this is definitely sunburned, because look at this, it's brittle. It was just breaking off easily. And I think it's bad news with these floors, man. As you can already see, somebody was working on it already. On the other side, when I moved that carpet, I definitely seen it through the ground. So, your boy definitely gonna need a floor. Hopefully it ain't bad to the point where I need to get a whole floor, but I might just get a whole floor. I think it number like 1,500. That way, I don't gotta worry about nothing. But I'm gonna see what our boy Rick gonna say. I lube that up because the door wasn't opening up all the way. Put some little lube on it. So as I struggle to get this out, I'm gonna go ahead and